So just some review before we continue. Again, we're exploring subject and verb agreement. And the first sentence, we go to the mall on Saturdays. So we look for the subject and we determine what part of speech is the subject, and we also determine if the subject is singular, plural. We is plural. So the verb is go. We go. Not we goes. Okay, we go. Second sentence, he goes to the mall on Saturday. We determine the subject. He, pronoun, is it singular or plural? Is singular. So the verb has to be singular. He goes to the mall on Saturday. You add an S to nouns to make them plural. Okay? And a subject could be a noun or pronoun. An example, car is singular. Cars with an S is plural. Home, singular. Homes with an S, an ES. Okay? When the subject is plural, you don't add an S to your verb. And I'll read it again, and please write it down. When the subject is plural, you don't add an S to your verb. Examples. The cars, plural. Look, verb, no S. So cars is plural, plural subject, and the verb look is plural. The cars look nice. The cars look nice. If the sentence read, the car looks nice, the car, singular. So the verb now, you have to add an S. The car looks nice. Again, first sentence, the cars, plural form. The cars look, plural verb, nice. Second sentence. Second sentence. The car looks nice. The car is singular. The verb has an S. So sometimes we add an S or an ES to the verb to make it singular. The exception to the rule. I and you subjects. When I and you are the subjects, they take the plural verb form. An example, I, singular, go, plural, to the mall. You would not say I goes to the mall. I is singular, goes, okay, is also singular. But you don't say I goes to the mall. You say I go to the mall. Okay? I, subject, pronoun singular, go, verb, plural. Okay. So let me change the board. Give me a second. Okay, got all these boards. I wish I was in the classroom with a big board. A big board in the classroom, I will be so happy. Okay, so let's look at helping verbs. The helping verb becomes the agreement verb. Again, the helping verb becomes the agreement. And some helping verbs do, does, am, is, are, was, were. Have and has. Those are some helping verbs. Okay, again, the helping verb becomes the agreement verb. First sentence. The dogs, plural, don't want it. Okay? Now, if the subject is singular, you would say you wouldn't say the dog don't want it. You would say the dog, subject singular, noun, the dog doesn't want it. Again, the subject, when the subject is plural, the dogs, more than one dog, the verb is don't. In this sentence, the dogs don't want it. When the subject is singular, then you would say the dog doesn't, negative contraction, doesn't want it. Okay, so what happens, okay, when we have two subjects? Maria and Lionel have been running for a half an hour. Maria and Lionel have been running for a half an hour. They have been running for a half an hour. So here the verb takes the plural form. Have. Not has, have. They have been running for half an hour. Modal verbs. Okay? Verbs like may, might, should, could, would, must, will, different modal verbs. Okay, so when you have a modal verb, the main verb does not have an S attached to it. Again, when you have modal verbs, a modal verb is an auxiliary verb. The main verb never is have an S attached to it. So here's a sentence. My friends, plural, might come. My friends might come. You would not say my friends might comes with an S. No, my friends might come. Not my friends might comes with an S attached to it. Okay? Again, let's go over it. Helping verbs become the agreement verb. They become the agreement verb. Verbs like do and does, am, is, are, was, were, have, and has. So the first sentence, the dogs, plural form, more than one dog, you would say the dogs don't want it. Okay? Takes the plural form, don't. Second sentence, the dog doesn't want it. singular subject, dog. So the verb then is doesn't in the negative, doesn't want it. When you have a compound sentence, Maria and Lionel, one and another, which is two. Okay? That's takes the plural. That's a plural. Plural subject. Okay? So then the verb here is have. So in that sentence, is Maria and Lionel have been running for a half an hour. Modal verbs. May, might, should, could, would, must, will, shall, whatever the modal verb is. The modal verb is an auxiliary verb. It comes before the main verb. And the main verb never takes an S. So if the sentence read, my friends might come. My friends might come. You would not say, my friends might comes. Never. Okay. So it's time to change the board again. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Here's another example of what we were talking about with the modal verbs. You should come. You would not say he should comes. No. You would say he should come. No S at the end of the main verb when you use a modal verb. Okay. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Everybody, someone, nobody, anybody. Those are some indefinite pronouns. They usually take a singular verb. They usually take a singular verb. Okay, indefinite pronouns. Examples. Everybody, someone, nobody, anybody. They usually take a singular verb. Sentence. Everybody wants to be happy. Everybody wants to be happy. Okay. So everybody is going to be the subject pronoun, and it's a singular form. Wants is the verb, singular. To be, infinitive. And happy is going to be an adjective. Right? Everybody wants to be happy. Hopefully. Hopefully. Nobody likes to be sad. Next sentence. Nobody likes to be sad. Okay, so nobody, again, indefinite pronoun. Likes is a verb, singular form. To be, infinitive. Sad is an adjective. Okay. Nobody likes to be sad. There's some individuals that love to be sad, okay? But hopefully it's a small percentage of the population. Okay. Moving on. Compound subject. Compound subject. Meaning two subjects. And usually they're connected by a coordinating conjunction and. My friend is happy for me. My friend is happy for me. Friend is the subject noun and is singular. Which friend? My possessive adjective is linking verb. Happy is going to be a noun here for preposition me pronoun. My friend is happy for me. The next sentence. My friend and Tomás. So we have friend, Tomás. That's a compound subject. Compound subject. Subject noun, coordinating conjunction, and so they're connected together. So we're talking about two people. So it's plural. My is a possessive adjective. So the verb form changes. My friend and Tomás are, plural, happy for me. My friend is happy for me. Okay, we're doing well? Okay, so here's a difference between two different coordinating conjunctions and or. Sarah or Jose. Sarah or Jose. One or the other. So it has to take a singular form. Is. So you could say or read, Sarah is coming. Or you could say, Jose is coming. So the coordinating conjunction or means A or B. Sarah or Jose. Sarah, subject noun. Jose, subject noun. One or the other, singular. The verb is. Is. If the sentence read, Sarah and Jose, Sarah and Jose, then we will have a plural form. The coordinating conjunction and connects Sarah and Jose. So they, plural, are coming. Okay? They are coming. Gerund subject. They take the singular form of the verb. They take the singular form of the verb. Okay? The gerund subject. And we're going to be looking at the gerund subject during our practice. Okay. So we're doing well. Okay? Again, we're doing well. And it's almost time for me to disconnect, and I'll be back shortly. Take care of yourselves. See you in a moment. Ciao.